Tribhuvan University, Bachelor level 4 years program, Science and Technology, BSc 4th year, Material Science, Physics 405, Model Question 2079, time 3 hours, full marks 100, pass mark 35. Attempt all the questions. Question number 1. What is electrical resistivity of metal? Explain. Discuss the factor on which electrical resistivity of metal depends. Marks 10. Or question. Write down the main properties crystalline, solid. Discuss linear and planar density for BBC and FCC. Structure for different sets of plane. Question number 2. Discuss carbon nanotubes with their electrical properties and various applications. Or question. What is viscoelastic deformation of polymer? Describe the temperature dependence of reaction modulus of polymer. Also glass transition temperature. Question number 3. What are the main recycling issues in material science and engineering? Explain. Question number 4. Define Borger vector. Describe different types of linear defect in crystal. Also discuss about defect in ceramics. Marks 8. Question number 5. What are light emitting diodes? Discuss use of optical fiber in telecommunication. Marks 8. Question number 6. Briefly describe electron and hole motion in a p-n junction, forward and reverse basis. Then explain how these lead to rectification. Marks 8. Question number 7. Answer the questions. Marks 2 into 3 equal to 6. A. Are thermal stresses introduced upon heating? Why or why not? Or question. List 4 situations in which casting is the preferred fabrication technique. B. Write a short note on quantum dot lasers. Or question. So that atomic packing factor for BCC is 0.68. Question number 8. Answer all questions. Marks 4 into 3 equal to 12. A. What are the different kinds of color defects? Explain. B. Give short note on ferroelectricity. Question number 8C. Describe the main application of ceramics and polymers in our daily life. Question number 8D. Discuss the significance of studying crystal structure. Question number 9. Calculate the conductivity and resistivity of pure germanium at 320 K if carrier concentration is 2.8 into 10 power 10 per m cube and mobilities for hole and electron are 0.17 and 0.35 m square per v per s respectively. Marks 5. Question number 10. Determine the expected diffraction angle for the first order reflection from the 310 sets of plane for radiation of wavelength of 0.1659 nm is used. Marks 5. Question number 11. If the band gap is 1.8 eV, then determine whether the material is transparent or opaque to visible light. Marks 5. Question number 12. Calculate the saturation magnetization. For given that each cubic unit cell contains 8F e power 2 plus and 16F e power 3 plus ions and that the unit cell head length is 0.839 nm. Marks 5. Question number 13. The net potential energy between two adjacent ions En may be represented by the sum of the attractive and repulsive energy, that is En equal to minus A upon R plus B upon R power n. Calculate the bonding energy E naught in terms of the parameters A and B and N using the following procedure. 1. Differentiate En with respect to R and then set the resulting expression equal to 0. Since the curve is of En versus R, a minimum at E naught. 2. Solve for R in terms of A, B and N which held R naught the equilibrium interatomic spacing. 3. Determine the expression for E naught by substitution of R naught into above equation. Marks 5. Question number 14. Calculate equilibrium number of vacancies for copper at 100 degrees centigrade. The average energy for a vacancy formation is 0.8 eV per atom. द एटोमिक वेट एन्ड डेन्सिटी फर कपर आर 63.5 ग्राम पर मोल एन्ड 8.4 जी पर सीसी रेस्पेक्टिभली। मार्क्स 5। बीएससी फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा विल एन्ड टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट बीएससी मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला। ती क्वेसनहरूको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। विल एन्ड टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै जानुहोला।